Setting the QWalk device. To turn on the device, press the ON/OFF button for 2 seconds. QWalk positioned on the left leg projects visual feedback to be reached with the right foot, and vice versa. Press the plus button to increase the angle of the projector. A larger angle allows the light spot to be projected further away from the patient. Press the minus button to decrease the angle of the projector. A smaller angle allows the light spot to be projected closer to the patient. Rotate the light spot projection left or right by sliding the cover on the leg to set the projection width. Note, since QWalk devices work with cross-projection, the right device projects feedback for the left step and vice versa. Each step length projection setting must be associated with the step width setting. A double feedback length width setting is always necessary. To turn the device off, press the ON/OFF button for 2 seconds.